Oh, fuck. Damn it, Tyler, I know you brought that. I fucking knew you brought that. You son of a... Hey, why are you laughing?